Welcome to the Live Good Business Presentation, the membership that pays. So hindi po tayo yung traditional way of doing network na kung saan side hustle dito, hustle doon. So tayo po ay isa pong membership club na nagge-generate po ng income. But before I go into details of my presentation, allow me to introduce myself, a quick introduction. I'm Vilma Sabulao, a diamond leader here in Live Good. As Coach Vic mentioned a while ago, I'm the first diamond woman who become diamond in entire Live Good. Ako din po yung fifth diamond in the Philippines. So by profession, isa po akong accountant for 13 years po. At ang nag-drive po sa akin, bakit ako napunta sa network marketing? Dahil po sa mga anak ko. I'm a solo mom of 5 kids at nag-join po ako sa network marketing na ang aking pong compelling reason ay mapagtapos po sila kasi wala naman po kaming yaman. So ang kailangan ko lang is mapagtapos po ang aking mga anak because I believe that education is the perpetual hem to happiness. And in a span time of 17 years and a half, naging top achiever po ako ng mga international companies and all of them are based in America. And prior to Live Good, 10 years po ako doon. Yung first company ko, I've been there for 5 years. So hindi po talaga ako yung palipat-lipat. And with Live Good, whatever happened, I'm here. So I'm turning 3 years na this coming po February of 2026. So 3 companies na kung saan trinabaho ko with full passion and dedication as well as in purpose. So that's me. I'm the first woman to become diamond in Live Good worldwide, 5th diamond in the Philippines. I am the founder of LGSEI, a happy mom, a grand lola, okay po, a coach and a mentor. Ayan po. So paano ko po ba na-discover si Live Good? I just simply pray to God in the morning. Sabi ko, Lord, if you close one, may isinara kang pinto, may bintana kang bubuksan. Doon ko po pinag-pray ang Jeremiah 29:11 kasi kakasara lang po ng isang company na trinabaho po namin with Coach Vic, kasama ko po dyan, and so with the other leaders for 10 years. Grabe po yon. And then all of a sudden, binenta po sa ibang company. At sobrang lungkot po namin kasi trinabaho po namin ng mahabang panahon. Akala namin that was the last company we're gonna be working. Pero everything happened for a reason. Nagpray ako sa Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you, the plans to prosper you, and not to harm you, the plans to give you hope and a future." Klinim ko yon. And when I woke up, okay, after 3 hours of deep sleep, doon ko po nakita yung powerful landing page po ni Live Good na na-fall in love po ako, sumali po ako. And right there and then, grabe po ang nangyari. I become silver in just 1 day and a half and become gold in 1 week time, become platinum in 38 days, and become diamond in a period of 5 months. So the rest is history. Ayan po. So I'm here. Very, very passionate na sana lang pwede kong maipakita, maipahiram yung mata ko at ang puso ko sa inyo para makita nyo kung gaano po kaganda sa Live Good. So kung ang Live Good po ay isang kumpanya na nakapagpabago ng buhay ng maraming tao, bakit hindi po yung buhay natin at buhay mo? So palakpakan po natin. Clap your hands for being inside the Zoom. Grabe, no? So because of Live Good, ito po ang mga nangyari, no? I regain my health and my energy. I'm turning 60 in 2 years time, pero hindi halata. I built a smart income kahit nasa bahay lang po ako with purpose. Help other people grow and rise. Ang sarap, very fulfilling. I develop a stronger leadership. Grabe po ito. And I live with peace, passion, and direction. So sino po sa atin ang gusto ng ganun? Of course, majority po sa atin gusto natin ng ganung buhay. Ngayon, my next question sa inyo is, what if si Netflix, alam po natin lahat tayo may Netflix sa bahay, no? What if ang Netflix po, nag-start po siya ng affiliate program na kung saan sa bawat kaibigan, kamag-anak na sinishare natin sa Netflix, sa mga movie na nagustuhan po nating panoorin, binabayaran po tayo. You refer a friend, you get paid. So what if, because of doing such, you earn a monthly bonuses from the members na shinare mo? And at ngayon po, si Netflix ay meron na po siyang 302 million members. Grabe, no? So meaning to say, what I'm trying to portray is, itong industriya pong Netflix is a form of subscription at ganun po yung potential niya. So it's really booming, a stable industry, and that's the industry also of Live Good. Ngayon, let me share to you yung mga popular membership in the world. So we have YouTube, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's World, Costco, Disney, na pwede po kayo diyang magbayad ng monthly or pwede din po tayong magbayad ng annual. Nakakatipid po tayo ng 2 months if you're gonna pay for annual. And if you can see on the right side, million-million na po ang mga members ng mga popular membership na to. So meaning to say, there is really a huge future for us in Live Good. Kasi itong mga company pinakilala ko po sa inyo, most likely, ang kumikita lamang po dyan ay corporate owners. Yung may-ari lamang po. But in Live Good, iba po ang senaryo. Kasi kung dito, mga mayayaman, yung may-ari lamang po ang kumikita, this Live Good is the form of membership that pays. Grabe, no? So meaning to say, 50 to 80% of the profit of the company is given back to us. So we save a huge amount of money on our membership model sa bawat nire-refer po natin na kaibigan natin, kamag-anak natin sa ating pong platform. So, is it amazing? Palakpakan nyo nga po si Live Good. So, yun po yung ating pong company. Ngayon, ang tanong is, sino po ba si Live Good? Si Live Good po is the membership that pays. We are a revolutionary company and a disruptor in the industry. So meaning to say, magsusubscribe ka, binabayaran ka ng company balik. Okay, bakit ka magsusubscribe? Kasi yung mga products po natin ay maa-avail po natin ng sobrang mura. Almost factory price. Bakit siya tinawag na revolutionary? Kasi ito po yung makabagong uri po ng network marketing na tinanggal po ang lahat ng pahirap. Disruptor in the industry because we are a game changer. Can you please type on the chat box, game changer? A lot of companies are looking at Live Good because we become the fastest growing company in just a period of 1 month, 2 months. And that's Live Good. Okay po? So ngayon, tingnan po natin siya bilang isang revolutionary company. Ito po yung ayaw ng mga tao about network marketing. Yung mga quota, auto ship, points monitoring, obligado tayong bumili ng product kahit hindi mo kailangan, sobrang mamahal ng mga produkto. Dito po sa kumpanya natin na Live Good, tinanggal na po ang lahat ng mga pahirap. Bakit? Dahil tayo ay magsusubscribe lamang at nandito tayo para ma-avail po natin yung mga produkto sa murang halaga. So, Live Good, it was launched officially globally December 13 of 2022. Wala pa po tayong 3 years in a business model of a wholesale membership club. So meaning to say, yung membership club, yan po yung main product na Live Good. So we are selling the membership club to people for them to avail the products given by Live Good at almost factory price. Am I getting clear? Klarado po ba yung sinasabi ko? So that's our company. At ang kanya pong naging inspiration ay si Amazon. We know Amazon is one of the largest online store in the world na noong July 16 of 1995, nag-open po si Amazon on an online bookseller. Pero after 5 years, nag-expand po siya. Dumami po yung kanyang product lines, yung industries. Andiyan po yung videos, music, clothing, electronics, toys, kitchenware, and even magazine subscription. And right now, si Amazon po ay mayroon na pong 300 plus million members and in a span time of 30 years. So, nung nakita ko po ito, no, sabi kong ganun, wow, this industry is pretty amazing. At engaging myself into Live Good, a form of subscription that generates income, could you imagine anong buhay ang nag-aantay po sa atin? Kasi proven and tested na po natin na ang industriyang ito ay talagang getting stable. Are you with me? Hello? However, yung company po nating Live Good, hindi lang si Live Good ang yayaman, kundi pati tayong mga members, tayong mga affiliate. So, wait, there's more. Meron pa po tayong good news. Live Good is going to add products and services from other industries like we started from wellness at meron na din po tayong skincare. Soon to be mag-o-open po tayo ng household, fundraising, pets, meron na din po tayong pang pets. We also have mga travels, finance, solar, crypto, AI, name a few and many, many more. So that's the products that we are going to open. So ano po ang nakikita po natin dito? Si Live Good po is the future Amazon of social marketing. Wow! Grabe, we are the future Amazon in the industry. And Live Good is not just a health and wellness company. So ano po tayo? This is the membership the membership is the main product that we promote to people. Yun po yun. Kumbaga, magpapasali po tayo ng membership para makatipid po yung mga tao. No buying and selling of unwanted products. Bibili ka lang kung ano yung kailangan po ninyo. Okay? And what else? This is your one-time online wholesale superstore. And that's Live Good. So furthermore, next question is, bakit ba ako na-enthused? Bakit po ba ako na-inlove lalo kay Live Good? Napakahalaga po sa akin yung presence ng ating pong corporate, the people running Live Good. At dito po, no, I'm proud to introduce to you our CEO, Ben Glensky. He has this more than 20 years of experience in owning and running some of the most successful companies in nutritional supplement industry. He is a very visionary man and he wants us to win. Yun po, talagang gusto niyang mag-succeed po tayo sa negosyo. And syempre, true leadership creates true success. Do you believe na everything rise and fall on leadership? So we have this powerful corporate team. Sila po yung mga co-founders. To introduce Dr. Ryan Goodkins, siya po yung ating Director of Product Development na siya yung nagpo-formulate ng ating po mga product lines. Okay? And Ma'am Lisa Goodkins, the wife, she is the Director of Product Education. Every Monday po, meron po tayong product education na ma-will burst po tayo sa iba-ibang mga usage po and benefits, values ng ating po mga products sa Live Good. And of course, the Director of the Field Development on the marketing side is no other than Nodor Kasan. So having these people, doon po ako na fall in love, na grabe po because very important po yung presence ng mga taong nagmamanage po because I believe that everything rise and fall on leadership. And pwede po ba dito po tayo naka-anchor sa mission statement na Live Good? Is it okay that we are going to read it silently? And it says here, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So nandito po tayo talaga para magpaka-healthy tayo na hindi mo na kailangan mabutas ang bulsa mo. Hindi na kailangan mabankrupt pa yung bank account natin because we are making a change. Okay. So, sabi po dito ni Nodor Kasan, ni Sir Nodor Kasan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. Tapos na po yung mga mamahaling produkto. Kasi, like for example, ito pong multivitamins na to, tinanggal po yung profit dito na times 10, times 20 para pambayad po sa overhead cost at saka sa mga commissions po ng mga upline. Ang ginawa ni Live Good, ito pong ating multivitamins, in-offer po ito sa atin ng almost factory price like this Super Greens and other products of Live Good para makuha po natin ito ng ganong value because we are into a membership club. So ganun po ang ginawa ni Live Good. Ngayon, there are two types of people who gonna join us. Okay, let me clear this way to you. Kasi ito yung mga taong kakausapin po natin para mag-join po sa ating pong company. Number one, we're gonna join Live Good for our health. Ako po talagang I took this very, very important kasi I want to be healthy. Ayoko po ng marami pong sakit. You will be healthy to get the top quality product at almost factory price. And number two, for smart income. Sino ba naman dito ng ayaw ng business? Sino ba naman dito ng ayaw ng opportunity na pwede kang magkaroon ng smart income? Bakit ko po sinabang smart income? Because in building Live Good business, napakaliit po ng puhunan. Hello? Napakaliit po ng puhunan. I call it sisiw mani popcorn. Napaka-highly duplicatable. The tools and systems are in place. Okay? You share, you earn, and help others to live better. Yun po yung strength ng ating company. Kaya palakpakan po natin si Live Good. Yan po yung topmost two reason why you are going to join for your health and for your income. And these are the quality products of Live Good na very affordable, high quality, premium quality products all made in USA. Lahat po ng ating po mga products are certified by GMP. Ito po yung good manufacturing practices. Alam niyo po, pang ang product natin, made in America at aprobado ka ng GMP, ibig sabihin, top quality po yung product na yan. And one thing more, yan po ay USDA approved. Ibig sabihin, it's a certification na yung ating po mga products are highly organic. So we are not putting something poisonous into our body. Tested for its purity and potency at bibilhin mo lang yung mga produkto kung ano ang kailangan mo. kung ano yung need mo. Hindi mo kailangan magtambak, hindi mo kailangan ng mga quota and everything, walang ganon. And what else, no? Meron po tayong 100% money back guarantee, 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. Ano pong ibig sabihin nun? Say for example, you buy this Super Greens and if you believe na in a period of 90 days, hindi po nag-work sa'yo to, wala kang naramdaman na kahit ano, pwede nyo pong ibalik yung empty bottle ng Super Greens sa Live Good, no question asked, ibabalik po yung pera mo. Deal? Magandang offer? Maganda po ba yung offer ni Live Good? Pwede pong ilagay natin na deal. Okay po, deal or no deal. Okay, so next, no? How are you going to order this product? Yun po yung tanong. So dalawang klase lamang po, either we become a member or we become a consumer. Siyempre, pag consumer po, mababa pa rin pong retail price kasi almost factory price nga po given sa atin. And siyempre, kung tayo po ay magme-member, member's price, mababa kasi almost factory price. Yun po yung mangyayari. So now, ang next question po dito is how to become a Live Good member. It's just so simple. Like for example, no, Miss Catherine was invited by Candice. So you just go to the person na nag-invite po sa inyo and a sponsor's link ni Candice will be given to Miss Catherine. Doon po kayo magre-register. Okay? You sign up, you pre-enroll, and then afterwards, okay po, babayad po kayo ng $10 or $9.95. Ganun lang po siya kababa. Tapos, mabibili, member ka na nun. Meaning to say, you came here to Live Good just to avail the product, ang tawag po sa iyo member. And then you choose the product na from the back office, bibili ka na sa dashboard mo and the product will be delivered right at your doorsteps. And you have to stay active by paying your monthly subscription of $10 or $9.95 per month para ma-avail nyo po yung mga product given by Live Good at almost factory price. Clear po ba? So that's it, no? Ngayon, if you are a member of Live Good, you save up to 75% ng mga products na ino-offer po natin kumpara sa mga other product lines in the market. So, ang laki po talagang savings. And dito, aside sa pagiging member, pagiging user, di ba I mentioned a while ago na pwede po kayong ditong mag-business. So, for those people who want to have a smart income, okay, would you like to make an income of $2,000 or even higher than that? Sino yung may gusto? Pwedeng pakitaas po ng, o pakilagay po sa ating pong comment section. Me, okay? Who want business? Okay, so this is the opportunity really for you. So this is the most exciting part of the compensation plan. So makinig po tayo. Ang gagawin po natin kanina, I presented to you paano po tayo maging member. Meaning to say member is product user lamang po tayo. Okay? Na, sumali tayo kay Live Good, na member tayo just simply because we want to buy the product at almost factory price. Now, sa ganda po ng ipipresent ko pong opportunity, imaginein mo, pwede kang kumita ng $2,000 up to $16,000 on the residual income alone and even higher more. Grabe, no? Ano lang po yun, parang appetizer pa lang, no? You opted to join as a Live Good affiliates. At paano naman po yung Live Good affiliates? Paano po tayo magiging member doon? So, sa simple, to become an affiliate member, you go to the person who invited you. Okay po? Go to the person who invited you, get the referral link, and then register at magbabayad po tayo ng one time. Can you please type one time? One time. Isang beses lamang po tayo magbabayad ng $40 as the sign-up fee, and then we got to pay $9.95 per month as a subscription. So meaning to say, isang beses ka lang magbabayad ng $40 plus the $10 membership, and every month bayad na po tayo ng $9.95 or round off na lang natin ng $18. Ngayon the question is, ano ang kapalit ng $40? So, you're gonna be having an affiliation for life that never expires. Magkakaroon po tayo ng complete digital business suite. Magkakaroon po tayo ng you got to participate in the Complan. And we have this multi-channel payout system. So imaginein mo, you have this done-for-you business na nandoon na po lahat. May powerful landing page ka na. I-share mo lang yun sa mga prospects mo. Meron kang website na real-time. Makikita mo kung magkano kinikita mo, magkano income mo, how many people are going into the business. Diba? At magpa-participate pa tayo doon sa pay plan na i-explain ko po sa inyo ngayon. And we have this multi-channel payout system. So that's very, very lucrative. Okay? So, palakpakan po natin si Live Good. Okay? Palakpakan po natin. Ngayon, let me show to you yung price comparison pa ng ating po mga products. Is it worth it? Ano po ba yung pagkakaiba? Take a look on Super Greens. Ang presyo po ng ating pong Super Greens is only $18. Pero kung ikukumpara mo po sa mga product lines sa labas, outside Live Good, they are more expensive than our products. Like Organifi green juice, nasa almost $70. Nakatipid ka na ng 74%. Athletic Greens, that is $99.95, 81% ang natipid mo. Lahat po ng mga product na to, syempre babayad po tayo ng freight cost. So hindi pa po kasama dyan ang freight cost. But rest assured, ang laki po ng itinipid ng ating pong produkto kumpara sa ating pong mga competitor. Now let's take a look. What about the difference of the member's price as well as the retail price? Sa multivitamins, makikita mo, makakatipid ka ng $8. Magkano ang subscription? $9.95. Okay. So almost recover ka na. Eh kung hindi lang naman po multivitamins ang kailangan mo, you still need the Super Reds, the Super Greens, no? You need the Factor 4. Okay? You need the magnesium. You need the D3K2 at many, many more. Kasi we have more than 40 plus product lines in Live Good. So meaning to say, ang laki po ng natipid natin. Talagang sobrang value for money na po yung $9.95 natin kung gusto mo lang maging user ng products. But what about if gagawin mo itong business? Grabe po yung babalik po sa atin. So that's basically, nakakatipid po kayo ng $8, $11, $12, depende po sa product na atin pong bibilhin. So dito, the second factor is you can share your website in 200 plus countries. Kasi meron po tayong retail site store na you can share it, nasa social media world na po tayo. Somebody from France, somebody from China, or any parts of the world, na pag i-share mo yung retail website mo, they can order from that site and then the products will be delivered right at the doorsteps of your client. Kaya po tayo dito sa LGSEI, nag-aaral na po tayo kung paano po tayo matuto sa mga online automation na yan. Paano po tayo maging online marketer. How many of you would love that? Grabe, no? Kaya sobra po yung excitement ko. So, international pack. So, lahat po ng mga product na nasa international pack, ito po yung products na kailangan po talaga natin, like multivitamins. The complete multivitamins, bioactive multivitamins. Alam niyo po ba na kailangan po natin yan? Nagbigay po ako ito ng product na to a friend. Alam niyo, sabi niya, tita, grabe yung nangyari sa akin sa multivitamins, nag-glow daw ako at iba yung lakas na naramdaman ko. And from that time on, alam mo, bumibili na sa akin every month. Regalo lang muna yung binigay ko noong una, no? Pero grabe, every month bumibili na po siya at hindi na lang po multivitamins ang binibili niya. Bumili na rin po siya sa akin ng Super Greens at saka ng magnesium. So what is Super Greens? Ito naman po yung talagang magbibigay po sa atin ng immune system recovery. Importante po yun, yung ating immune system na maging malakas. Kasi ang Super Greens, halos lahat po ng mga greens nandito. Kaya kung hindi po tayo nakakakain talaga ng mga gulay, naniniwala po ba kayo that health is the best wealth? Health is the best investment. Okay? So, energy and recovery, stress support, digestive health. So, ito po yung ating pong Super Greens. Marami na pong natulungan dito sa mga meron pong diabetic. Yung mga matataas po yung blood sugar at even yung iba i-insulin na po. And we also have these Super Reds. Grabe tong Super Reds na to. This is powerful kasi halos lahat po ng mga reds, mga strawberries, mga berries products, nandito po siya. Okay? At this will support our cardiovascular health. Siyempre, alam nyo ba na 32% ang namamatay sa buong mundo is because of cardiovascular problem. So, nakakatakot po, no? Na kailangan po nating ingatan ang ating pong mga puso. At ito pong Super Reds na to, ang laki ng tulong nito kasi it supports the cardiovascular health, it promotes healthy circulation, sexual support, and promotes brain and cognitive function. Meron po itong nitric oxide na nakakatulong po sa proper blood circulation. I'm just giving you a little bit of idea kung gaano po ka-powerful po ang ating pong mga products. Ganito po ako ka-enthused to explain to you the good thing of the product because me myself is really the product of the product. I really cannot live a life without this. Grabe po talaga. So yung factor 4, I super love this kasi apat po ito, no? Andyan po yung healthy heart support, yung may mga rayuma, may mga arthritis, may mga gout, napakaganda po nito. May mga bara-bara po sa mga veins po ninyo. It promotes also immune health and supports healthy circulation. 4-in-1 nandito po. May turmeric, may CoQ10, may garlic, at I forgot the other one. So, ibig sabihin, lahat po ay apat na components na nandito na po sa ating pong Factor 4. This is selling really like a hotcake. Number 1 top-selling product of Live Good. And syempre, another one, ito pong ating pong, I'm giving you only 6 products, no, na para maintindihan po natin. The D3K2, tayo po nasa Pilipinas, may araw, hindi po tayo naaarawan. But don't you know na ang araw po ay napaka-importante. Kaya nung panahon ng pandemic, importante po talaga itong vitamin D na to. So, ang dami din po nitong purpose para po sa atin. This is very vital. And of course, yung ating pong powerful magnesium, the Ultra Magnesium Complex, which will give you a sound, restful, and uninterrupted sleep. And maliban doon, yung ating pong mga bones, meron siyang nitric oxide at meron din po siyang 300 biochemical reaction sa ating pong katawan. So itong mga product na to, basically, mai-inlove po talaga kayo. Kasi the moment na na-try nyo na po yan, talagang uulit-ulitin nyo yan. And if you're gonna buy this from your dashboard, don't you know na almost free shipping po tayo. It's only $99.95 pag binili nyo po ito sa dashboard nyo. Drop shipping tayo, subscription based, syempre mag-aantay po tayo. Okay? Pero para dun sa mga nangangailangan ng tingi-tingi pa isa-isa, you can PM me or some of your uplines because we are buying para maging available na po ito sa inyo right away. So I have some stocks if those who want to start the product right away para hindi na po kayo mag-antay. So palakpakan po natin yung mga products po na Live Good. And before I proceed into the business part, basahin ko lamang po yung isa sa mga testimonies. Pwede po kayong pumunta sa website po ni LiveGood, www.livegood.com. Punta po kayo dun sa product section. Aralin nyo po isa-isa. Nandoon po yung mga benefits, yung mga values ng Live Good, andun yung pricing, may certificate of analysis, lahat ng products, at nandoon po, basahin niyo po yung mga testimonies ng mga taong gumamit. And for tonight, I'm gonna be reading on the screen, yung Factor 4. Sabi dito ni Lilinel, the Factor 4 advanced formula is effective for me because the cyst on my armpit is gone. It's amazing and I couldn't believe it, but it's true. Sa palakpakan naman po natin, yung bukol sa kanyang kili-kili na wala nung uminom po siya ng Factor 4. So another one, sige, basa po tayo dito. Si Frances naman, V. Sabi niya dito, I've been taking the magnesium for about a month now. And wow, what a difference. What a difference. I fall asleep faster and sleep soundly. I wake up feeling like I'm ready to get up and face the day. Amazing, I'm in my 50s and I feel like I'm in my 30s. Grabe, nag-feeling bata po siya, no? And what is this? This and the multivitamins for women plus iron, I'm in love. So palakpakan po natin. So hindi ko na po babasahin lahat po yan. Punta na lang po kayo sa website po ng Live Good. Go to the person who invited you. I-navigate nyo po yung mga products at makikita nyo po kung gaano powerful yung mga products. And by the way, punta din po kayo sa ating pong My Free Health Assessment Report. Meron po doong website kami na meron po kaming health assessment report. You go to the person who invited you. Sasagutan nyo lamang po ng libre yung 30 personalized questionnaire, and after that, i-email po kayo ni Live Good at sasabihin sa inyo saan kayo mag-uumpisa sa inyong health journey with Live Good. Grabe, no? So para na po tayo nagkaroon po ng free consultation with Dr. Ryan Goodkins. That's it. So, wow. So, are you happy with that? Bigyan nga po natin si Live Good ng clap-clap emoji. So, ayan po. So, powerful yung company, powerful yung products. Now, let's go to the last part. The most exciting one, paano naman dito pagagalingin yung sakit natin sa bulsa. Okay. So, this is the last part. I gonna explain to you the 9 ways to earn of Live Good. So, meron po tayong 9 ways to earn. At ayan po, ano po yung mga ito? So before we go into the business side, share ko lamang po sa inyo na meron po tayo ditong dalawang way na structure po ng ating pong compensation plan. So meron po tayo ditong infinite wide, 10 levels deep, at meron din po tayong forced matrix 2 by 15 levels deep. So ano po ibig sabihin nito? Meron po tayong dalawang structure. So ibig sabihin kung paano po tayo naka-arrange, ano po itsura natin sa compensation plan po ni Live Good. Dito po sa 10 levels deep infinite wide, meron po tayo diyang weekly fast start, retail commission, influencer bonuses, customer acquisition bonus, free products, diamond bonus pool, crown diamond bonus pool. Dito naman po sa forced matrix 2 by 15, you have nothing to worry because I'm going to explain it to you what it looks like and how we gonna earn on that. Meron din po tayo ditong matching bonus at saka matrix commission. So 9 ways to earn po yan, but for tonight, hindi po lahat yan ipapaliwanag po natin. I gonna tackle only 4. But let me introduce to you first para maintindihan po natin ano po ibig sabihin ng unilevel 10 levels deep. So dito po sa unilevel, meaning to say, mag-i-enroll po kayo ng as many as you can, infinite wide. Meaning to say, pwede po kayong mag-enroll kahit ilan pa pong tao kasi unlimited po yan. At yung in-enroll mo, nag-enroll ng somebody, hanggang 10 levels deep, meron po kayong income. Unilevel. 10 levels deep. So the second one naman po is the 2 by 15 matrix na kung saan ito po yung second structure na this is you on top. Meron po kayong tao dito left and right na ilalagay po sa first level mo, and then you gonna teach them to get people also down the line, at doon po tayo na i-structure na mapupuno po yung ating pong matrix at babayaran po tayo ni Live Good up to the 15 levels deep. So understood? So dalawang klase pong structure, okay po, yung unilevel 10 levels deep at saka yung 2 by 15 matrix 15th level. Ngayon, para mas klaro po, no? So sa 9 ways to earn na yon, ang papaliwanag ko lamang po ay 4. So again and again, meron tayong infinite wide 10 levels deep at meron tayong 2 by 15 forced matrix. So let us familiarize ourselves about it, no? So napakasimple lamang po nito. So now let's go to the 4 ways to earn. Punta na po tayo sa 4 important way kung paano po tayo kikita kay Live Good. I really love this. Kung baga pinili lang po natin yung mas madali po tayong maiintindihan. So we have this weekly fast start bonus. I call this an active income. Okay, I call it now income. And we also have here matrix commission. I call it future income, pension income, or passive income. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng passive income? Ito po yung residual income na kahit natutulog ka, kahit nagbabakasyon ka, yung income po tuloy-tuloy, dire-diretsong pumapasok sa inyo. Gusto nyo ba yon? Yes. So number 3 is the matching bonus and generational bonuses. Network marketing po tayo. Nandito po tayo to really build leaders. Kaya sabi ko po sa inyo kanina, education is the new hype. Automation is the new hype. Kasi nandito na po tayo sa mundo po ng AI. Andito na din po tayo sa mundo na gagawin po natin yung pagne-network hindi base sa hyping. Hindi yung magpa-promise tayo ng madali. What we gonna do here is we are here to educate serious people na once they become leader, grabe po yung babalik po sa ating mga generational bonuses. And lastly is the diamond bonus pool. Kami po, naranasan po namin ang diamond pool. Grabe po talaga, sobrang nakaka-excite. Okay. So, ngayon, ilan na po sa atin dito yung excited na gusto nating malaman ito? So, we will start with the weekly fast start bonus. Okay. So, bago po tayo, mga Live Good family, sa ating pong mga guests, I want you to understand what weekly fast start commission is all about. Ito yung tinatawag po naming now income. Dito, hindi mo na kailangang mag-antay pa ng isang buwan, okay, bago ka magkaroon ng komisyon. Kasi every time na meron kang in-enroll, itong week na to, next week, sisweldohin mo na. So meaning to say, meron kang potential income every single week. Ngayon, the question is, magkano ba ang gusto mong ma-earn for that particular week? Kasi ang cut-off po natin is every Friday, 3 o'clock Philippine time. At ang sweldo po natin, every Thursday, 11 o'clock, wala pang 12 o'clock, pumapasok na po yung komisyon. And never in the history of time na na-delay po ang sweldo ni Live Good. Minsan, advance pa nga po pag may mga holidays. So, palakpakan po natin si Live Good, no? So, the reward, this is the reward, no? For those people who are hungry, those people who wanna take action, and those people who want to see the real result. Kaya nga po ako dito, in just a matter of 1 day and a half, I enrolled, naging silver po ako. And in a 1 week time, I made $927. And I'm so excited in building that time. Grabe po, ang sarap po talagang mag-focus dito sa weekly fast start. Kasi yun po tayo makikita na totoo pala talaga si Live Good. So that is the reason why I call it now income, because once you do it now, next week may income ka na. So we call it active income kasi if you are active in sharing the opportunity to people, you are good in prospecting, you are good in inviting. 'Di ba? Ang presenting, dadalhin mo na lang dito. Yung presentation, may recorded po tayo. Pwede mo nang i-share sa kaibigan mo. All you have to do is just invite, just prospect. At pagdating naman sa mga skill sets, meron tayong training system na i-equip kayo para turuan kayo para matutunan paano gawin ng tama ang business. So ito pong ating pong weekly fast start. Ito po yung proof, no, na si Live Good, yung effort mo today can also bring you the results tomorrow. Kasi yung fast start, it means fast rewards because yung action po natin is binibigay po doon sa mga action takers. Yung mga action takers, they deserve to win early. Palakpakan niya po natin yung mga action taker po dito. Sino po yung mga action taker? So we need to, alam mo, para ako ang natutunan ko po, no? For us to succeed in life, number one is you need to be an action taker. Wala pong umaasenso, wala pong yumayaman sa buhay na babagal-bagal. Okay po, yung ayong mag-take action, yung puro excuses. Ang mga nagsasucceed po talaga are people who are action taker. So dito nga sa loob ng Zoom at saka mga nakikinig sa atin dyan sa live, how many of you here are action takers? Can you please type in the comment section, me? Kayo po ba yan? So hello sa mga nakikinig sa atin dyan sa live. Madami po sila. I-share na po ito at talagang magiging blessing po tayo sa maraming tao. Can you please type sino po yung mga action taker? And uulitin ko po, no, yung mga action taker, sila po yung mga taong nagiging successful. Do you think that you really want to become successful? Then manifest that you are really an action taker. So ayan po, si Eric Olivero, sabi niya, yes, me. Sabi ni Candice, action taker, heart emoji. So dagdagan po natin, hindi lang po sila. So paulanan po natin yung ating pong chat box ng me. I-manifest po natin yun. Kasi kung ano po yung iniisip natin, yun po ang nangyayari. That's the power of the mind. Sabi po ni Michelle, yes. So sige, yung iba pinaprocess pa po. So ngayon, excited na tayo. So clear na po sa atin yung weekly fast start. You do it now, you enroll now, next week meron ka ng sweldo right away. So, let me explain to you. It's just so simple. For every person, this is the most lucrative pay plan I ever seen in the planet. For every person na nagbayad po ng $50, meron po kayong $25 na bonus. And how much is that? 'Di ba? So no auto ship, no quotas, no volume requirements. Nag-share ka lang po ng landing page mo. What? Yes. Dahil dito, kung nakapag-enroll po kayo ng 10, imagine mo, 10 kaibigan mo, i-share mo ang landing page mo, i-share mo yung opportunity, meron po kayong $250. And how much is that? Pwede pong pumalo yan ng 15,000 pesos or 14,000 pesos, depende sa ating pong conversion rate. So palakpakan po natin si Live Good at pwede po natin yung kitain week after week after week. Good enough, right? Good or good? Great or great? So but wait, there's more. Dahil meron pa po siyang tinatawag na 10 levels deep. So you can refer unlimited directs. Pwede po kayo mag-enroll as many as you can. Ngayon, kung na-automate na po tayo, ngayon kung naka-AI na po tayo, what's gonna happen? You can refer unlimitedly. Kaya kailangan mag-aaral po tayo. Ito po yung sinasabi ko po sa inyo that education is the new hype. Automation is the new hype. So sino po dito yung handa nang i-prepare ang sarili niya to embrace the change, the evolution of time? Ayan po. So ngayon, take a look on this, no? Every person na ini-enroll mo, meron kang $25. Infinite wide, 10 levels deep, unlimited earnings. But wait, there's more. Yung kakilala mo, tulad mo din. Grabe, action taker din. Gusto ding maging successful. Okay? So, yung kakilala mo, syempre, mag-i-enroll din siya. Hanggang sa 10 levels deep, meron po tayong commission. So ano po ang sekreto po natin? We have to rank up. Take a look on this, no? Meron pong unranked, meaning to say, wala pa tayo na i-enroll. Pero kung napag-enroll na po tayo ng dalawa, yung second level, meron na po tayong 10%. Hello? Yung in-enroll mo, hindi mo nakilala, meron kang 10%. 10% of what? $50. $50, that's $5. Eh paano kung ang dami nag-i-enroll sa second level mo? And that is why talagang ako po yung first week, naranasan ko pong mag-earn ng $927, not effort by myself alone, kundi the entire organization who keep on enrolling for that particular week. Ngayon, habang nagra-rank up ka, halimbawa naging silver ka, that's only 20 people in the total team. Pero may mga qualification. I'm not going to explain that tonight, pero once you become silver, yung third level at saka fourth level, nabubuksan na po. May 5% ka sa third level at saka sa fourth level. At pag naman tayo ay naging gold, 100 people in the entire team, imaginein mo, hindi ikaw ang nag-enroll niyan, entire organization na po yan. Mabubuksan na naman po yung 5th level at saka 6th level, additional 3% and 2%. Okay. And platinum, ito po yung 2% and 1% on the 8th level and then the 7th level. At pag nag-diamond naman po tayo, 9th level and 10th level, 1% ng 1%. So palakpakan po natin si Livegood. So habang tumataas ang ating pong rank, lumalalim din po ang ating pong unilevel. Pag lumalalim po ang ating pong unilevel, as we build the business, palaki ng palaki po ang ating pong commission. Are you with me? That is why I love network marketing, because this is a delayed gratification concept. Sa umpisa, malawak yung effort mo, pero pag na-establish mo na po ito ng maayos, doon na po tayo nagkakaroon ng tinatawag na passive income. So speaking about passive income, okay, pupunta na po tayo doon, ano? So ulitin ko po sa inyo, ang Fast Start bonus sa lahat ng mga nagjo-join in sa atin, nagbabayad ng $50 at kung nag-annual naman po sila, $139.95, still the same $25 pong ating pong weekly Fast Start dyan. Pero tingnan nyo po ito, no? Papakita po, ko po sa inyo in dollar rates. Imaginein mo, kung ikaw po ay unrank, meron kang $25 sa lahat ng tao. Kung ikaw ay bronze na, sa second level mo, para kang namumulot ng $5, $5, $5 sa lahat ng second level mo. Are you with me? First level mo is yung direct mo, yung in-enroll ng direct mo, second level mo lahat yon. Para kang pumupulot ng $5, $5 sa bawat new directs nila. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Paano kung silver? Meron po tayo dyang $2.50 sa third and fourth level. At pag tayo naman po ay gold, $1.50 sa fifth level, and sa sixth level, meron po tayong $1. And platinum, sa 7 and 8 level, diamond sa 9th and 10th level. So palakpakan naman po natin si Live Good. So ganyan po ka-powerful ang ating pong weekly fast start, which I call it as an active income, now income. Kaya depende sa desire mo, depende sa need mo, okay? Hindi mo kailangan mag-antay ng matagal. Next week, yung trinabaho mo ngayon, susweldohin mo na agad. Okay. So, grabe, no? Grabe, grabe. So, lagay nyo nga dyan yung far emoji sa ating pong chat box. The second way to earn is the matrix income. Okay. Alam nyo po ba na ang matrix income is one of the heart and soul of Live Good? For me, that's why I look at it. Sumali po ako kay Live Good dahil sa nakita ko po sa Matrix. Hindi po ito yung tulad ng mga Matrix ng ibang company. Makinig po tayo ng mabuti. Paano po tayo dito babayaran ng passive income? Ano po ibig sabihin ng passive income? Yung bang kahit natutulog ka, tuloy-tuloy pumapasok yung income. Dito, itong matrix income na to, ito yung foundation ng long-term stability mo dito sa Libgood. Long-term stability mo dito sa Libgood. Kaya yung proper understanding na makukuha natin sa proper education, nagkakaroon ng clarity, ng understanding, ang ng proper execution, nagmamatter po yun. Paano tayo makakaroon ng maximum or mamamaximize ang matrix commission? So this is where your teamwork and duplication and consistency create your passive income. Kaya makinig po tayong mabuti. Okay? Kaya po nasisira ang network marketing sa totoo lang because there are some players na talagang pinapadali po yung network. Sinasabing walang gagawin, kikita, and then doon po tayo nasisira. Pero if we're gonna give the right value, na ito po ay nandito tayo to give them the right structure, the right mindset, the right thing to do it, grabe po yung foundation na mangyayari po sa atin dito. Ngayon, this is the kind of income na nakikreate mo. Ito yung tinatawag nating parang receivable income. Grabe naman to. Para siyang future income. No? Bakit? Kasi pag inano mo to, pag binild mo to, month after month after month, stable ka na. Hello? Month after month after month, meron ka ng tinatawag na residual income. This is the kind of income na even natutulog ka, nagpapahinga ka, nag-i-spend time ka with your family, tuloy-tuloy siyang pumapasok sa bank account mo, sa system mo, sa credit wallet mo. And here is the secret. When you focus on building and duplicating the system, your matrix become the golden tree of abundance. And that is why for me, I am really more enthused into educating my team. Kasi ito yung tinatawag po na slow is fast. That is why I love to work with people who are into my inner circle to really align and put up the structure of clarity and understanding na ibibuild po natin ng mahusay si Libgood kasi dito po tayo magkakaroon ng residual income. How many of you wants that? Now once you become diamond, hindi po yung diamond na lulubog lilitaw. Ito po yung diamond na yung income mo talaga is stable, tuloy-tuloy, dire-diretso. Why? Because there is a structure. And always remember this, structure is equals success. Kung ang buhay po natin, lalagyan po natin ng structure, yung success po nag-aantay po sa atin. At kung business po natin, lalong-lalo na po dito sa madaling system ni Live Good, lalagyan po natin ng structure, magkakaroon po tayo ng sustainability, magkakaroon po tayo ng stability. Can you please type structure equals success? Pwede nyo ilagay SS. SS. Structure equals to success. S equals S. Okay? Type po tayo dyan sa ating pong comment section. Ngayon, learning so far. So ulitin ko, yung matrix income natin, pag ginawa po natin siya ng maayos, ito po yung nagiging golden tree natin through abundance. By continuously bearing fruit month after month after month after month. Grabe naman yun, palakpakan nyo nga po. Gumagawa ka ng matrix tree, okay, ginagawa yung matrix structure mo. Pag namunga yan, para ka na lang namumulot ng dollar, 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 month after month after month after month. Think on that. Number three is, number two, papaliwanag ko pa pala, intra pa lang pala yun, upline. Okay, masyado ako excited, no? Paano ba yan apply yung matrix commission? Matrix commission. 2 by 15 matrix commission, meaning to say, lahat ng magbabayad ng 9.95 every month, binabayaran tayo ni Livegood ng 25 cents. Up to the 15th level, depending upon on our rank. So para mas maintindihan po natin ito, this is now where the system of duplication comes in. Okay. Pag sinabi po nating network marketing, ibig sabihin po niyan duplication. Kaya nagmamatter po ng sobrang bonggang-bongga yung duplication. Paano ba tayo nag-duplicate sa team? Yung salita pong duplication, lahat nagdo-duplicate. Positive, negative, good or bad, okay, wrong or right, nagdo-duplicate. So dito, we got to start, no, duplicating the simplest way. The easiest way. Gusto nyo bang mag-business na focus muna tayo sa madali? So yung pinakamadali para ma-build natin yung business is just the simple power of two. Sino dito yung may kakilalang dalawa? Yung taong gustong magpaka-healthy, yung taong gustong magkaroon ng smart income. Pagpalagay ko nyo, meron kang dalawang tao dyan na in-enroll. And itong dalawang tao, okay, just the word duplication, tuturuan mo kumuha din ng dalawa. Kasi ganun ka nag-umpisa eh. Nag-enroll ka ng dalawa, at yung in-enroll mong dalawa, yun din ang sasabihin mo. Friend, mare, beshi, dalawang tao lang. Ngayon, yung dalawa na yan, tuturuan mo din kumuha ng dalawa. Ngayon, tingnan nyo po yung matrix nyo. Lumalaki. Nadadagdagan. Just the simple power of two, no? You are teaching them to get two and teach the two to get two and repeat. Halimbawa ako, nagkuha ako ng dalawa. It does not necessarily mean na dalawa lang i-enroll ko. Ang ganda kaya ng weekly fast start. Ang ganda kaya ng mga commissions na ibibigay. So the more people I bring into the business, the more chances for me to create a huge organization. But ang pinakikita ko po sa inyo is the simplicity of the structure na kahit dalawa yan, with the proper duplication, pwede tayong magkaroon ng residual income. Are you with me? Are you getting this? So ngayon dito, mapupuno yung matrix pag meron po tayong proper duplication na kahit the simple power of 2, pwede pong mapuno ang matrix. Babagal lang po yan pag hindi po tayo pre-prehas po ng ginagawa. Halimbawa, tuturuan natin yung team na wala kang gagawin, kikita ka. Diyan po tayo sasablay. Kasi paano mapupuno ang matrix kung hindi po tayo kikilos? Oo, meron pong spillover. Pwede kang malaglagan talaga ng upline mo, lalong-lalo na kung ang upline mo baliw, ang upline mo ang sipag-sibag, mababatuhan ka dyan ng tao. Nagkakaintindihan po, but it does not apply to everybody. Pero kung lahat tayo kikilos, gagalaw ng kahit dala-dalawa, puno ang matrix. And what will happen to us pag napuno ang matrix? This is now where the residual income comes in. I'll show you how. Sa 12 franc, sa 12th level, alam nyo ba, pag napuno yan with proper duplication, that the 2 becomes 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Nagdodoble, no? Nagdodoble. The residual income potentially is $2,047. How much is that? Yan po ay nasa 100,000 pesos. Potentially, pwedeng mangyari. Depende sa laman ngayon ng matrix po natin. Kaya dito, ang ituro po natin is the valuable word na duplication. Just teach the mantra of get to and teach the two to get to. Teach your team to get to and teach the two to get to. Kasi aandar po yan. And here is the magic. Tuloy-tuloy po nating tulong-tulong tayong nagpupuno ng matrix na pag ikaw ay nag-bronze, siyempre enroll ka ng dalawa, the potential income is $4,095. Say for example, in 3 to 5 years from now, your matrix is running this stable, would you be willing to teach the people to get to and teach the two to get to? So ganun po siya ka-powerful. At pag tayo po ay naging gold platinum, nagiging 8,191 po ang ating pong matrix income potentially. At pag nag-diamond naman po tayo, that is $16,000. Ako dito po ako nakatingin. Kasi imagine niyo, this is abundance bearing fruit, no? Buwan-buwan, kumikita ka ng month after month after month, depende ngayon sa laman ng matrix natin. Kaya for me, napaka-importante po ng matrix structure kasi yan po yung heart and soul ng ating pong pay plan. That is the main strength of Live Good. Kaya yung proper duplication, napaka-importante. Na-gets nyo po? So ngayon, punta na po tayo sa next. Okay. So ito po, when I started Live Good, ito na po talaga yung naging mantra ko. I teach this to the team na you go for bronze in your first week, pass it on and maximize the matrix. Get to and teach the two to get to. Pero what will happen if you gonna go for bronze? Halimbawa, bago kang member, ituturo mo yan sa team mo na first week pa lang, dalawa na agad. At yung dalawa na yun, turuan mong kumuha ng dalawa. Bakit? Mapapabilis po ang pagpuno ng ating matrix. Gusto nyo ba na mapabilis ang income natin sa residual income through the matrix commission? I'll show you how. Pagpalagay natin sa first week mo, nag-enroll ka kagad ng dalawa. Enroll ka kagad ng dalawa. And then, tinuruan mo yung dalawa, kumuha din po ng dalawa. So second week, meron na po kayong 4. At yung 4, proper education, tinuruan ng dalawa, naging 8. Down the line, up to the 12th level, syempre bronze ka, no? Hanggang 13th level, meron ka ng residual income na $4,095. That is the potential income. So 13 weeks, meaning to say 3 weeks and 1 month. Na kung tuloy-tuloy po mangyayari ito, potentially in a period of 15 weeks, puno ang ating matrix, ang residual income na nag-aantay is $16,383. Kahit sabihin po natin na 10% probability, 10% of 4,095, that is $400. Nasa Pilipinas ka, okay na ba ang 20 mil? Okay na ba ang 25 mil? So meaning to say, depende ngayon sa ating pong word of duplication. At depende ngayon sa speed ng growth natin. Kaya yung pinaka-attainable, simplest way to duplicate the business is to get to and teach the two, to get to and repeat. Okay? So para po tayo dito mga baby, no? Ang bata naman, hindi naman po natin tinuturuan kumain agad ng solid food yan eh. Milk muna. Pero by the time na natuto na sila, magaling na silang mag-prospect, magaling na silang mag-close ng deal, mag-invite, they can get more and more and more. Nakukuha nyo yung, am I getting sense? Nakukuha nyo po yung ibig sabihin? So, hindi ko sinasabi na dalawa lang po ang kunin natin. But that's the best way to start. Make it simple and duplicatable. Okay? So, clear po ba tayo? Number 3 is the matching bonus. Ano po yung matching bonus? Grabe, ito naman po yung pinaka-main dish ng pay plan. Dito po tayo talaga mabubusog. Ang matching bonus is your parang royalty bonus. Okay? Ito po yung kung ito po yung level na kung saan hindi na lang ikaw po yung kumikita. Yung entire organization mo nag-earn at dito tinutulungan nyo din po ang inyo pong mga leader na makuha nila ito para mabigyan po sila ng reward. Ang tawag ko po dito ay leadership royalty income. Okay? Because when your team earns, you also earn. Okay? It's a reward for building leaders, not just followers. So the secret in matching bonus, don't just recruit. Don't just enroll. Develop people by educating them. Kaya dito importante po yung GPS system. Because in Live Good, okay, leadership pays at dyan po tayo binabayaran po ng malaki. So take a look po natin to, no? Ipagpalagay po natin nag-enroll po kayo. Nag-personal direct po kayo ng kay Lisa, kay Sam, kay Joe, kay Leia. Lahat ng mga personal direct mo, 50% po nun, aakyat po sa'yo ang matrix nila. Kaya kung pagpalagay natin, si Lisa may $300, magkano sa'yo? 150. And so on and so forth. Ayan. Kalahati ng income ni Sam, Joe, and Leia, umaakyat po sa'yo sa kanila pong matrix. And remember, hindi lang po 4 ang enroll natin because this is infinite wide. But wait, there's more. Meron po tayong 5-generation dip na meaning to say, from first generation up to the 5th generation, meron po tayong 10%, 5%, 3%, 3%, 3%. Ganyan po tayo babayaran ni Live Good. So, dito po ako na-overwhelm kasi nung sumali po ako, hindi ko po ito ini-expect. Pero without me realizing it, ito pala yung pinaka-main dish po ng pay plan. Dito po talaga tayo mabubusog. Okay. So just to give you an idea, kasi doon sa income natin, sa income ng ating direct, okay na yun eh. Masaya na tayo sa 50%, di ba? Halimbawa, yung direct mo kumita ng $500, may $250 ka, goods na yun. Pero what about if babayaran ka pa ng mga people in the team up to the 5th generation? So, ayan. Para mas maintindihan po natin, I give you this brief example. Nag-enroll ka ng 10 at yung 10 direct mo kumikita ng $100. So, 50% ng $100 is $50. 10 sila, may $500 ka. So, pagpalagay natin sa second level, meron kang 10 direct na silver. Ang laman ng buong team is tigwa 100. Pagpalagay natin yung 100 na yon, tigwa $100 din ang kanilang income. Para mapadali lang yung computation, ano? So, 10% ng $100 is $10. 100 sila. Under the silver na 10. So magkano ang sayo? $1,000. So down the line, ganun po kalaki yung income po ng ating pong generational bonus. So palakpakan naman po natin si Live Good. Ayan po. So grabe no? So ngayon, based on this presentation, I want to share to you this strategy. If you think tatrabahuin mo ng mahusay si Live Good, you can ask to bring in your family. Halimbawa, nanay, tatay mo, anak mo, sali mo sila. Like for example, what I did, in-engage ko po yung mga anak ko. Okay? Ngayon, napapunta na po tayo ng automation. I'm super excited kasi magiging madali na din sa kanila yung gawin yung business. Okay? Kasi mahihiyain po yung mga anak ko, hindi ko po tulad na extrovert. Sila po mga introvert. So dito po, tingnan nyo lang no, nanay tatay mo, sinali mo, kumikita din po sila. Habang lumalaki yung organization mo, sila din lumalaki. Kasi unang-una, yung spillover mo, kanino ba unang mapupunta? Di ba sa mga anak mo? O di ba sa family mo? That's the logic. Okay? So dito po sa three heads structure, okay, nanay, tatay mo, sinali mo, pag napuno po ang matrix, just to make it shortcut, no, ang pwedeng kitain po ng entire family is nasa 573,000 pesos or $10,000. Paano nangyari yon? You go to the person na nag-invite po sa inyo para mas maintindihan nyo. Kasi medyo yung time po natin is minamaximize po natin at marami pa po tayong powerful sharing. So ang point lang po dito sa strategy na to is maximize the opportunity that if you think you are going to build this seriously, why not enroll your family? Pero kung hindi mo naman po ito tatrabahuin, na alam mo yon, wag ka nang mag-enroll ng marami kasi madadagdagan lang yung monthly overhead nyo. Okay? So am I getting clear? I'm just being honest. Okay. So last but not the least, ito po yung Diamond Bonus Pool. Finally, this is the most exciting part of all, no? Yung magpa-profit share po tayo sa income po ni Live Good. How much is that? 2% ng profit ng company, pinaghahati-hatian po equally ng mga diamonds. So para na po tayo ditong co-owner. Imaginein mo yung global income ng company from the membership down to the product sales, no? 2% of that, kahati po tayo, nagpa-participate po tayo. So grabe no, it's not about the money anymore. It's about the legacy. Alam nyo ba na transferable itong ating account? Pwede mo pong ipamana sa mga anak mo. You build something that continues to bless others and give back to you month after month after month after month. And that's what Diamond Pool is all about. So paano nangyari yun? 2% ng income, pagpalagay natin 50 million ang monthly sales ni Live Good, times 2%, that is $1 million. At kung meron po tayong, let us say, 200 diamonds lang for that month, magkano ang profit share po ng mga diamond? That is $5,000 month after month. after month. Sino dito yung gustong mag-profit share ng $5,000? Palakpakan nyo nga po. Can you please type me in the chat box? Okay? Type nga po tayo dyan. Grabe po, no? What about if 3 to 5 years from now, you're a rock star of Live Good and you are making that profit share? And the good news, sabi po ni Sir Ben Glinsky, pag umabot po tayo ng 10 million to 20 million members, don't you know how much is the profit share projected? Visionary po ang ating CEO, no? It's gonna be something like $10,000 profit share month after month after month after month. So, palakpakan po natin yung ating Diamond Bonus Pool. Siyempre, the last but not the least, the Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. 0.5% ng income po ni Live Good, pinaghahati-hatian po ng mga Crown Diamond. Since konti lang po sila, kahit 0.5% lang yan, 3 lang ang Crown Diamond sa buong mundo. How much is the profit share? It's $83,000. Grabe, ilang milyon po yun. You do your math. That's how big the Crown Diamond is. Ngayon ang tanong ko sa inyo, is Live Good built to last? Is Live Good a lucrative platform? Yung $3,000 mo, ay yung 3,000 pesos mo or yung $50 mo, pwede po kayong kumita ng several times. Siguro, Coach Vic, tawagin na lang kita, no? I-ambush kitang tawagin maya-maya. Just a quick testimonial. Okay? I want to hear the testimony of all the leaders here, especially our diamonds, our platinum. I would appreciate na mag-share po tayo ng ating po mga testimonies, no? And be a blessing to many people. So, palakpakan po natin yung ating pong pay plan. Is it lucrative? Can you please type sa ating pong comment section, lucrative? Yung mga nanonood po sa atin dyan sa live, can you please type lucrative? Ayan po. So, we're already done sa ating pong presentations. So, ito lamang po ang ano natin dito, no? Mag-pre-enroll na po kayo kasi the moment na ikaw po ang nauna na nag-pre-enroll, at kahit magbayad ka pa sa Friday, okay, sa cut-off ka po magbabayad, mauuna po kayong mailagay sa ating pong power line or sa ating genealogy. So, pero pag ikaw ay nagbayad right away, ang advantage naman doon, mabilis mong magagawa ang business at pwede kang mag-ROI agad. Ano yung ROI upline? Imagine mo like this, no? First week, nag-enroll ka ng 2. At yung 2, tinuruan mong mag-enroll ng 2. First week pa lang, nag-enroll ka ng 2. Magkano income mo? $25 plus $25. Excuse me, that is how much? $50. Magkano nilabas mo nung sumali ka? $50. So meaning to say, unang linggo pa lang, bumalik na ang puhunan mo. Eh, ginanahan ka. Ginanahan ka. Nag-repeat ka uli. Second week, enroll ka na naman uli ng 2. Enroll ka na naman uli ng 2. Okay lang? Tapos, nung sumunod na week, enroll ka na naman uli ng 2. Kasi namamaster mo na eh. Magkano na yung additional na taong in-enroll mo? 4. Yung 2, nag-ROI ka, nag-enroll ka uli ng 4 kasi namamaster mo na yung power of 2. You are teaching them to get the 2. Nag-earn ka ng $100. What is the suggestion? That $100, why not upgrade to annual? Wala ka nang iintindihin for the rest of the year na monthly subscription. Ang focus mo na lang is paano mo palalakihin ang business mo at paano mo pagagalingin yung pagbibuild mo ng business. Naintindihan po? So palakpakan niya po natin si Live Good. That's how simple the power of duplication is. Wow! So that's it. So I hope na you are getting the strategy. Mindset plus strategy equals success. Nakita nyo na maganda yung opportunity, lagyan nyo po ng sistema, okay po? Strategize nyo po yan, bantayan nyo yung mindset and belief ninyo, then you can be very successful. In a span time of, as of October, nasa 2 million mahigit pa lang po tayo. We're just at the tip of the iceberg. And the next big thing is about to happen. Pag umabot na po tayo ng 100 million to 1 billion in the next year onwards. Sino dito sa atin yung excited na aabot na tayo ng 10 million, 20 million? Grabe po ang mangyayari nun. And you are a major part of it. And congratulations kasi pioneer ka. Okay? Pioneer po tayo. So, paano po tayo mag-rank up? you can do screenshot on this. Okay, screenshot po kayo. Para sa mga action taker, aralin niyo po ito. Kasi ako po, isa po ito sa talagang inaral ko. Basahin niyo po ito. Pag hindi niyo po naintindihan, go to the person who invited you para matulungan po kayo paano po tayo mag-goal set. Okay po? So next, 10 reasons why you are going to join us. Number 1, wholesale price on high quality products. Number 2, affordable membership. It's only as low as $50. Lucrative affiliate program with a simple system. We have just presented that. The proven 2 who get 2 duplication model. Bakit ko sinabing proven? Adam and Eve, when the world started with Adam and Eve. When we were created, started with our parents. Hello? Kaya proven and tested po ito biblically. Global business opportunity, we're open in 200 plus countries. No auto ship, no hard selling. First mover advantage, pioneer po kayo. Okay, pioneer po tayo. Residual income and long-term stability. Okay, done for you, marketing system, trusted leadership and transparency. And many, many, many more. Okay. At dito, syempre sa LGSE ay meron tayong system na gagawin. Okay, so ngayon, tapos na po tayo sa ating pong presentation. I have a question for you. Sa ganda po ng presentation, tell yourself, A, I want to become an affiliate member, you pay $50. B, I want to become a member, you pay $10. And C, I want to become a retail customer. You type your answer on the chat box if you are A, B, or C. Ano po ba kayo dyan? A, B, or C? So ngayon, sa ating pong mga guest, go back to the person that invited you and tell them kung kayo po ay A, B, or C. Sabi nga po dito, if you receive something of great value, it is our moral responsibility to share it to others. So we have 4 simple steps to build the business, okay? So number 1 is define your why. You have to anchor yourself. Ano ba yung dahilan bakit gagawin ko to? Ask yourself, why are you going to build your business? Because if your why is very, very clear, your how-to is very easy. This is your purpose that fuels your persistence. Kumbaga, yung po yung magbibigay sa inyo ng clarity. Yung why ninyo, yung po yung magbibigay sa inyo ng direction. So number 1 assignment, nagustuhan mo si Live Good, define so much your why. And number 2, be willing to learn. As I told you, yun na po yung tagline po natin, the new hype, education is the new hype. Do you like it? Kanina lang po yan lumabas, no? Education is the new hype. Automation is the new hype. Okay po? So be willing to learn. You have to stay coachable. Growth starts with humility. Tayo po dito sa LGSEI, we are really implementing proper education kasi doon po tayo talaga magkakaroon ng clarity. That is why we have this LGSEI University. Para sa mga active member, please join po kayo doon kasi doon po nakabank in yung ating pong mga trainings po sa ngayon while we are on onboarding automation. And number 3 is you have to follow directions and obey. Kung ikaw po ay kino-coach, no, be coachable, you have to trust the process. Okay? Follow the proven steps. So tinuturuan po tayo dito paano mag-prospects, ano po yung ating po mga script, paano po tayo mag-invite. So you do it, no? Nag-attend po kayo ng trainings, wag po yung nakinig ka lang. Be intentional on your learning, review your notes. Tayo po ay naka-record, no? Balik-balikan niyo po yun sa live kasi tinuturo naman po doon paulit-ulit. You know what? Repetition is the mother of learning. Ako po, I've been in this business for 17 years and a half. Sobrang nag-aral po ako. So nagsasalpak po ako dyan sa tenga ko, okay, ng mga learnings. I obey, I attend trainings, local and international, but I never stop from there. Kahit po naabot ko yung certain level of success, kahit papano, in the last 10 months, talagang nag-invest po talaga ako sa aking pong growth, lalong-lalo na po sa mga AI na yan, sa mga content creation na yan, and personality development as well. So kumbaga, you have to obey, you have to be coachable, and you have to focus on your growth mindset. Kasi wala nga diploma si Live Good, di ba? Ang liit-liit ng puhunan. Paano ka magiging big time? Kailangan aralin po natin ito. Magpaka-professional po tayo because the moment you treat your business professionally, that is the time that the professional income will follow. Avoid po ninyo yung acne. Yung marami po dyan kaya hindi po nag-grow kasi they don't obey. They don't follow direction. They don't value the presence of the coach in their life. How I wish ako po na coach talaga ako ng bonggang-bongga. And I'm so grateful sa mga naging coach ko po. At ngayon, merong mang nagko-coach sa akin, binabayaran ko po. So ako, I'm coaching you in the team right now. That's for free. What I'm asking is the commitment. Okay po? So number 3 is follow directions and obey. And number 4, take massive action. Nothing beats being proactive. Kumbaga doon po tayo nagkakaroon ng result through the DMO. Ano ba ang ating daily mode of operation? Dito tuturuan po tayo. That's why you have to stay coachable. Don't wait for motivation. Move for discipline. Okay po? Para ito doon sa mga gusto pong mag-achieve ng goal. Kasi actually, simple lang naman po si Live Good. Hindi naman to komplikado no? So talagang napakasimple lang yan. Yung simplicity na yan, yun po ang hindi natin sinusunod. So now next is, there are two types of people na kailangan lang po nating i-focus. Kaya hindi mo kailangan i-pressure ang sarili mo. Maghanap ka lang ng mga taong nangangailangan ng produkto. Ilan sa mga kaibigan mo, kamag-anak mo, may rayuma. I-introduce niyo po yung Factor 4. This is proven and tested, #1 top-selling product in the world. Ang sinisigurado ko po sa inyo, na pag nakainom po sila ng Factor 4, uulit-ulitin yan, o-order yan sa'yo ng month after month after month. Because for me, I'm not selling the product, but the orders keep on repeating. Naintindihan po? Kasi yung product nagsasalita na po sa tao. So the people who want to be healthy and save money, then go for product members. And number 2, those people, okay, ito po yung mga tao, yung mga product members, they become the members. Okay? At once nagsalita na po ang produkto sa kanila, do you know what happens next? Magkikwento na po yan. Ay Mare, yung rayuma ko, abay nawala. 'Di ba? So anong mangyayari? Sige, sasali na ako dyan. Pwede na po silang mag-upgrade to become an affiliate. So ano nangyayari? Yung dating user is nagiging builder. Now, number 2 is yung mga tipong gusto po ng business. Yung iba po dito, sasali po sa atin na una muna is the business. Kasi by the time na meron na po kayong maraming product, maraming income, then you use the product. Like for example, alam nyo ako, ang dami ko kasing tambak na product sa dati kong company. Gumamit man ako nito nung mga first few months ko, pero inubos ko muna yung sandamakmak na produkto ko. Tama ba, Coach Vic? Coach Charlene? Inubos muna namin yun. And then after na naubos yun, I focus na on Live Good products. And I'm so thankful kasi ang laki po ng tipid. At ang ganda po ng mga product po natin. So para doon sa mga builder, you imagine, you focus on building your business because you want to have a smart income and while helping others. Pero by the time na kumikita na po kayo ng good enough, pwede na po kayong bumili ng product. Pero kung may kapasidad naman, di ba, bumili ka na rin ng product at the same time. Pero I'm telling you, alam nyo, para dun sa mga nag-uumpisa na, syempre marami po tayong pinagkakagastusan, mga bills sa bahay, ang goal mo doon is kumita ka talaga ng sustainable income para yung mga product, ang goal natin, mainom mo to at hayaan mong maging more passionate ka of building the business. So I hope this is getting clear. So ito po yung mga tao na sila po yung mga promoter at sila din po yung mga builder. So I know na highly identified na po natin sino yung mga taong kakausapin natin. Ngayon, ang next question is, tuturo ko po sa inyo, paano ba tayo magkakaroon ng core duplication and stability? Kasi pag sinabi po nating network marketing, it boils down doon sa sustainability. Tatagal ba yan? Ngayon, pag ito ginawa po natin, no, na para maging stable and duplicatable yung ginagawa natin, 2 major actions na gagawin po natin. Number 1 is for us to master the art of GPS. Ito po yung guided path to success. Para tuloy-tuloy ang power po natin, dito po sa ating cellphone, di ba nire-recharge to? Tayo po, expose po tayo sa mga pagkakausap ng tao. Ngayon, if we don't have the strong belief on what we are doing, mapipersuade po kayo sa ibang opportunity. And if you don't have the right skill sets, maaaring mahihirapan po tayo. Ayoko na. Okay? And number 3, if you don't know how to operate your business on a daily basis, akala mo nagbi-business ka, yung pala wala kang aksyon na ginagawa, then magko-collapse din po yun. So what I'm trying to say, dito po sa GPS formula, itong guided path to success, na i-equip ka Na-educate ka, nagkakaroon ka ng clarity on how you gonna run the business at hindi mo lang ito ginagawa mag-isa. So if you plug into the system, this is the get in, you have to make a decision, activate your membership, plug in, connect to the system. We only have two Zooms in a week. Tuesday, magdala ka ng invites mo. Ngayon, yung mga invites mo na hindi makapunta sa Zoom, yung recorded presentations natin, isend mo sa kanila. And number 2, every Friday, meron po tayong Zoom presentation. Except this coming Friday po, kasi I have an important training po with Coach Fibo Lim. We're gonna make it on Saturday. Okay lang po ba? We're gonna make it on Saturday because I have an important Zoom with Coach Fibo Lim. So that's what we're gonna do. Dalawa lang po yan. Isang mag-i-invite, meron tayong recorded Zoom, gamitin nyo po yon. At mag-plug in po kayo para po sa inyo pong personal growth. Yung ating pong every Friday regular session, libre po yun. Kumbaga doon ko po sa inyo tinuturo yung ating pong mga skills, the basic skills, the fundamentals of success, as well as your leadership growth. Okay, so you GPS, make the decision, connect to the system, stay in, be consistent. Hindi po yung lulubog lilitaw. Attend ngayon, bukas wala, positive ngayon, sunod na araw wala na naman. Ngayon okay, nag-usap tayo, tapos mamaya unreachable ka na. Pagtawag ko, the telephone number you dial is no longer a number. Power. So paano tayo nito magkakaroon ng alignment? Okay po? So that is why I'm really forming my inner circle. Mamaya i-discuss ko po sa inyo. So when you do this, you create a duplication, okay? And the duplication leads to stability. Ganun po ang mangyayari. Isipin mo, Coach Vic, meron kang 10 leader na nag-GPS. Nakita nila kung ano nakita mo. Naramdaman nila kung ano naramdaman mo. That 10 leaders, yan po ang magiging poste mo. Hanggang magiging 100 yan. So ano pong mangyayari sa GPS system natin? Yan po ang magkikreate ng team. Are you with me? Through the GPS system, kasi hindi nyo naman pwedeng i-transfer lahat ito eh. Not unless mag-i-start ka ulit, gagawa ka ng sarili mong system. Are you with me? No problem with that. By the time siguro na you are already diamond and you have a huge organization, do what Upline Coach B did. Gawin nyo din po ulit, i-duplicate nyo. Because you can do it. Pero kung tayo po ay nagko-collaborate, aabot na tayo ng 1,000 in the Zoom, 500 sa Zoom, abay power, palakpakan po natin yon. That's my vision. That's my vision. Yun po yung talagang pinagpe-pray ko na lumaki at lumakas po talaga tayo. So GPS will help you create your team. That is why you have to master the art of GPS. Kasi based on my own experience, mga leaders ko na kasama ko dati, laging wala sa GPS. Wala lagi sa Zoom. Alam mo kung ano nangyari? Natangay ng ibang company. Bakit? Kahit gaano kaganda ang training natin, kung hindi mo napapakinggan, challenging ang mundo, negativity ang maririnig mo, nanakawin ng iba yung pangarap mo. Yung dating ginto na nakikita mo sa libgod, maaaring darating ang panahon, tanso na lang ang nakikita mo. Bakit? Nanakaw na ng iba yung pananaw mo. Why? To become successful in this business, it boils down on your belief. Always remember that. Kaya yung belief system natin dito, babantayan po natin talaga. You must have 100% unshakable belief. Naniniwala ka sa company, sa product, sa pay plan, sa system, sa upline mo, sa coach mo, sa system na meron kayo, kailangan all in ka doon, full out. Huwag ka mag 50-50 at huwag ka din maging watcher. Kung gusto mo ng success, maging action taker ka. You have to plug in. You have to master the art of GPS. I guarantee you, pag minaster mo po ang GPS, magiging successful ka. Kasi ako po, bunga po ako ng GPS. Pangalawa, this is the simple power of 2. The power of 2 strategy, this is the duplicatable. Pwede tayong may power of 5, power of 10, power of 20, pero yung kayang gawin ng kahit sino na mga bagong pumapasok, yung dalawa is napakadali. Gusto ng produkto, gusto ng business. This is your engine to building your team fast, simple, and strong. Imaginein mo, bababa yan ng 2, puno agad ang matrix. You get the 2 and teach the 2 to get team, support, and repeat. Start with just 2 people. Teach them to do the same, then repeat. Kasi by the time na dagdagan mo yan ng 4, yung 2, ROI ka na. Nag-enroll ka uli ng another 2. May 100 ka na uli na karagdagan. I-upgrade mo na yung account mo. Enroll ka na naman uli. Mag-order ka ng international pack. That's where the growth happens. That's where the belief really happens. Belief, skill sets, and number 3, your actions. If you monitor these 3 core pillars, there is no reason for you not to be successful in Live Good. So with that, we're done. Okay, as I told you, wag muna kayong umalis. After this, allow me to share to you what is the mission statement of LGSEI. So this is the university that I built. This is the academy that I built. Na ang mission statement po nito is to raise faith-driven leaders who are called to soar. We are here to win. Hindi po tayo dito para mag-observe lang. Empowered by wellness, anchored in purpose, and equipped to educate, to duplicate abundance across nations. Hindi lang po tayo sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo. The information contained herein has been provided as an information service only, not a financial or medical advice. The accuracy or completeness of the information is not warranted and is only as reliable as the sources from which it was obtained. Also note that the delivery and courier fees are not inclusive to product pricing, and a monthly subscription of 9.95 is a major requirement to remain active member of Live Good. So thank you so much. Focus on working yourself and you will attract of who you become. God bless everyone.